I have a blueprint DNA, and I have a city is using a home DNA collection kit. No, Ubi a kit box in my your consent form back. Your 3 sample envelopes, 3 pair of swab sticks, 4 tamper seals, 1 pair of gloves, and 1 return envelope. The sounds will use a manual. I'll be to me so at the first sample. You're interested to see a full consent form. About consent form is why your mother's information, child's information, alleged father's information. I have no more test name and freedom details. Ain't no say my money in Kanwa, you fill my money part. Obabo funny part on your abo funny dean, the date of birth, the gender, the race, and a sample cry or fan. No indicating in our hokama. We are now assigned my friend, so we're less than 18. By more than 18 there, Abofana beat me aside. If you are nearby alert for this information, I want to papa needing the date of birth, the gender, no specify the race. We are now taking the type of sample that you use, and as a sample choir. We are not papa neso assign. So my man encounter when I say my friend doors one. You beat me, my many part one other relationship, what take care no specified child. Now the other child necessary details what fellow we are now assignment kama. Now we are your upper right corner of the form no you'll be a friend case code. So code we na say we make payment na you generate the amount. Shane say one track case code we na the amount or what for sample no intimi nya ho adwuma. Obi a consent form next year. Obit me a try papa no contact and any email address. I wanna result ni na befa. Ti ne WhatsApp number no try wo echi honum. I wanna the result na befa. After you first say see fill the smaller envelopes no. Saa ne mana wo try wo consent form no so no. E no na wo try gu envelope na chi. Ti wo fa akra ne de na what a child, what a cranny. We are the gender, the race, and our date now for a sample. We are the property now of far for a sample. No one training or and our case code now or travel consent formation. No as I travel envelope na say honum kama. We win now my papa and above frano. After you first see first samples na nkasa. Answer number first samples no Shannon so say 30 minutes before so first sample no money di mono munsu. After so first swab stick ni na so for ba ko bia sticks mienu na ehim. This sticks mienu no be use for one person. Now we are offer the other one and also mienu na ehim no be use for the other person. Sans Shannon so say we sticks in the free container now for sample ni we are on some financial container nim. What be call envelope nim straight a smaller envelope no. And this said who know video nim no. So we swab stick in the free container nim. Now they are about for na bi na num kakra. Now they are for na funu mu honum. Now wo yen so Shannon so say ye bia na wo dane swab stick ni said be an chen ni na be ka na funu mu honum no. Shannon so says, so we about Kuya, now I say about Konaka, now I the same thing now we are now the Nina Ashe, smaller envelope. My bra owns some financial container now we free mono.
Rotating the swab around the whole inside surface. Apply firm pressure. You are collecting cheek cells, not saliva.
Ti yafa sample na wi no. Na what a smaller envelope na no. We are now the samples na gum kama. So we nso a you will be a friend tamper seal. Now they are bought envelope na chi. Now I sign. I watch you. Afei na yɛduru so no, wobɛtwa consent form no picture anim ne akyire no. Ɛyɛ ahyɛ no so sɛ wobɛtwa no kama sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a biribiara bɛba clear. Wowie nso a, na wode sample envelopes no, ɛyɛ smaller envelope na wode fa sample no gu mu no. Ɛno nso wobɛ arrange no kama na watwa no picture anim ne akyire. Nti wowie na de wei nyinaa send the agent na wo ne kasa no, na wahwɛ. So when I say bibia ye intact, obeka to say fa share the bigger envelope ni. Share no say obe send the pictures na man no ahwe. No won say bibia ye pepepe ansa na waka to say fa share the bigger envelope na ansa na de ahye. Say the be ya ensem bia ma sample no.